Hi there, welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about a morning practice. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. First, sit comfortably and then spread your hands right in front of your body. Rotate your wrists clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Now place your palm on top of your shoulder and make big circles. First from front to back and then from back to front. 5 to 10 rounds should be good enough. Now spread your hands inside of your body and make a big circle and place right in front of your chest. Do that again back in Namaste. Do that again, inhale, and with exhale, fold forward and try to rest in front of your body. Now from here, gently get into your tabletop position where your hips and knees and shoulder and wrists are in a line. And now, as we inhale, we look up, and with exhale, we look at the navel. Do that again, inhale, and we try to focus more on the exhalation. Inhale, exhale. Keep toes tucked or pointed outside. Exhale, and now rest here. And from here, stand on top of your knees while keeping your toes pointed outside or flexed. And here we are going to practice gentle mild back bend. Place hands on back of your hips. And with inhale, gently go back and come back. This time, try to go a little deeper than last time. And keep supporting your lower back and look at the back or at the ceiling, and with control come back. Now gently drop your hips down at your heels, stretch your hands in front of the body and get into a relaxing, comfortable child pose. Now from here, stretch into a needle pose where you stretch one hand and other in the 90-degree form, keeping your shoulder open, hips pointed up, and do from the other side. Hold it and keep breathing. Now gently get into tabletop and with inhale, stretch your right hand and left leg. And with exhale, try to squeeze. Inhale, stretch outward and exhale, squeeze in. Inhale, exhale. Change your sides. This time left hand and right leg goes out. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale away from the body and exhale, squeeze in. Inhale, exhale. Now stretch your wrist a little bit to de-stress them. And now from here, take your right foot in front of your body in a lower lunge position and take your hands on top of your head or right at the chest and try to hold your lunge with comfort and twist on both the sides to create a lot of space around the chest and in your belly. Use your hand to support your belly to have a better alignment. And from here, stretch into half split. Go a little down or find that sweet spot where you feel most comfortable. And then change your sides. Left leg comes ahead of your body. Again, find the stability in your hips and stretch your hands up in the air or at the heart center, whatever makes you more comfortable and centered. And now, once you hold it, take your palm support and stretch to the right side. Create a good twist to your spine and then to your left. Back to center, back into half splitting position. Go down if you need to or if you feel comfortable. And stretch. Bring your left foot back. And now from here, we will be practicing lizard pose where we take our right foot a little away from our right hand. And lift the back leg. If you feel comfortable to do so, hold it for 2 to 3 rounds. And gently bring the knee down and stretch to the side. Now this time, left foot goes next to left palm. Lift your right heel up and stretch. Stretch to the side. Left leg comes back and relax in child's pose. Spend a couple of minutes over here or up to 30 seconds. Try to be comfortable in this position while focusing on the breathing part. Keep your hips on top of your heel or in between the heel. Knees down, fingers pointed out, shoulders relaxed, away from the ear, hands down, and spine is resting in this fold. And when you feel relaxed, take your time to gently sit up straight. And from here, gradually lie down on your back. Your lower back should be resting on the mat. Straighten your legs, your hands away from the body, or choose your hands on top of your belly, whatever makes you more comfortable. And completely focus on your breathing. Take a moment to align yourself with your breathing. Inhale through nose to chest and finally to your belly. And when you exhale, first from your belly to your chest and then completely out from your nose. Do that again. Nose, chest, belly, and belly, chest, and exhale from nose. Exhalations are a little slower than your inhalations, so be mindful about that. Also try to thank yourself for choosing to practice and starting your day on such a positive way. Try to think of what are the highs and good moments from your today's practice and what are the takeaways which you take to improve on your tomorrow's practice. Just do not worry anything about, just focus on breathing and let emotions come and go away. Let your body, the whole body, relax completely. If any part of your body is feeling discomfort, let that part feel more relaxed. Let your feet, back of your thighs, back of your knees, thighs, hips, back of your belly, spine, the whole spine, neck, head, the whole body which is touching the yoga mat is getting relaxed. Also, let your belly, chest stay open and relaxed. Let your facial muscles relaxed, breathing calm, natural, and very comfortable. And once you feel ready and relaxed, try to stretch your whole body in a line. Very gently and mindfully change to either side of your body. Take a support and sit up straight and rub your palms to gather the energy and gently open your eyes and look in between your palms. I hope you had a great practice with me and you enjoyed practicing with me. If you have liked anything about the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.